Robokan, guys. Magandang gabi. Gab! Okay. Gusto nyo?
What favorite? Ay, kinakaw.
Bagaman.
Yung gusto nito, wala na akong baliktad. Hindi ako mabal. Ano man? Yan.
Naman na yung baba.
Turog na. Naturog ng baya.
Salamat sa thumbs up, ha? Salamat sa 5 million in the house. Thank you, Greg. Thumbs up dan, maganda share. Kumusta, Greg? Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you. How are you? How are you doing today? Doing fine. Doing okay. Job well done. Thank you for the 4 million in my house. What the chocolate? Choco mocho. The choco mocho. Oh, Bananin. Hi! Welcome, Linda. Hula. Welcome back. Oh, Bananin. How are you? Hamsa. Thank you sa farmer and hi. All good? Yes, all good.
Tudaan lang.
Gab. Yes, all good. Ano, Bananin. Thank you, Bananin. Oh, Bananin. Oh, Bananin. It's incredible how it's night there because here the day is already too bright. Oh my God. What time is there now? Where are you from? Oh, Bananin. I forgot. Maybe you're from Brazil. It's incredible. It's night there because here the day is already so bright. It's already so bright. I'm from Brazil. Yes. Shout out to Brazil. How are you? How old are you, oh, Bananin? I'm your biggest fan.
Mika! Mika!
Thank you, Bananin. Thank you so much.
Kana? Agurang.
Kairog sa pag-una ko lalaki. Ano ka lalaki, babae?
Tumboy.
Weh. Nagtumboy ka na? Seryoso ka na? Ayaw, sayang kagandahan mo, be.
Mas lasing pa ako sa lalaki. Kaya nagtumboy na lang ako.
Di nga. Ano? Open. Talaga? Napag-una ko sa iyong lalaki.
Para?
Hindi ko ikaw nakilala tuloy.
Si Mika.
Small. Nano ka ba? Lalaki ka na, Mika? Di ka na babae?
Ano kunta? Pidin mag-intro sa bini.
What time would it be?
Bini kulit. Wala din ang kulit.
18 p.m. here. 18 p.m. here. Thank you so much, Bananin.
Ah, tita ko. Ay, ginawa ni Kunta sa kuya ko.
Ano yun? Hi, thank you so much for the 6 million. Don't give up on your team. Thank you, Bananin. Don't give up on. Salamat. Thank you so much, Bananin. Thank you so much. Don't give up. Because someone who believes in me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Don't give up on your life. Dito, dito sa puso ko. Are you on Instagram? I have Instagram. Still my name. Cheryl 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 My Instagram is Cheryl Okay, I will follow there. Thank you, Bananin. Thank you so much. How old are you? How old are you, Bananin? Sa bawat minuto, gusto ko nang binigay ko ng lahat. Thank you so much, Bananin. Oh, Bananin. Bananin. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay. Gab. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Greg. Thank you, Greg.
Si ate mo.
Take my heart, thank you. Thank you. Busy ang person. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Todd Color. How are you, Todd? Sir Todd, welcome back. Thank you, Sir Todd. How are you? Morning there in US. Wait, what time now? 8 a.m. there. I'm good in you. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. Ayan, kahanap saan tulog sa ulo. Sinayang mo. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Todd. Todd Fowler. Todd Fowler. Sinayang mo ako mananatili. Thank you for the 4 million in the house. I'm already managed to follow. Thank you so much. Well, ano yun? I'm going to Instagram after my live. I'll check and I will follow you back. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. I like the sounds. I like the sound. The sounds of you found a love for me. Having to start running. Thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? My goodness. Beautiful pork dust. The pork dust. Beautiful. Ano. Na yung ako mananatili. Thank you. Wala na, tahimik na. The comment section silent, hit, silent. Salita kayo. On. Puro kasi English eh. Walang Tagalog, Bicol, ganon. It looks peaceful. Looks peaceful the night. Oh, my night. Oh, my. Wait. Come to love for me. Gab! The night looks peaceful. I like some of I like some of your pictures. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the happiness. Talk a pet. Someone I need coffee. Ay, naku. Naantok ako. Ay, naanak. Ay, sumakit ang ulo ko. Sabihin mo ano. Thanks for accepting my request. Ha? Okay, thank you. Welcome. Friend request. I can't remember when nothing meant so much to me. Can you imagine things? Yes, my friend request. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to the club. Titignan na sa'yo. Do you wanna be like that too? You're oh, you're my somewhere. And thank you for the 3 million people in my house. Salamat. I need putot. Aray. Oh. Sa panaginip ko, nilang malalim parang ako kung mawawala coffee time, lol. Sa skartihan mo sa chinila, sa punas-punas ka pa talaga, so. Coffee time. Coffee time. Coffee time. Lol. I don't wanna breathe it fast. I just don't want to hide. I just wanna go rest. I just wanna go. Coffee time. Coffee time. Coffee. Coffee time. Coffee. Do you have Zumba in the morning? No? This Friday, we have a Zumba, Women's Month. Celebrating Women's Month. Zumba. Antok much na. Diba ba Zumba? I saw your Zumba on FB. Yes. Yes, so. Every morning. Zumba. The Zumba. Sunday. Sunday morning. For people na. Thank you for the 4 million. 4 million in the house. Thank you. Although it was nice. Yes, thank you. Nice Zumba. Char. Ay, bay may char. Huwag mo bawiin yung char. Oh, Bananin, if you want to learn how to grow on Instagram, I will teach you for free. Thank you, Greg. I thank you, Bananin. Thank you, Bananin. Just kidding. Thank you, Bananin. Thank you so much. How I wish, no. I grow. I grow. I will grow. Oh my God. Di ko maintindihan. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, you know. Da 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 da. Easy to see them lying. I about to be on. This will wait. Where do we go? Look at this straight. Thank you for a 2 million. A 2 million in the house. Alana. What are you doing now, Greg? Do you have a board? My board. Despacito, telebebebebebebebelito. Despacito. Thank you for the 3 million. Thank you so much. 3 million in my house. Sana all. Not today. I'm at home. Okay. What are you doing? Don't you ever think for the rest of my life to be able to think about me? No, no, no. Watching TV and looking at you. Lol. Sana all. Sana all looking at me. Wow naman. So, umpisa lang yan. Ganyan talaga pag umpisa. Ganyan. Yung ganun-ganon. With something effort. But not it will last. Sa umpisa lang. Saya. Ano. Say it in say it in English. I say it was just first, but it not will last. Ano ba yan? Hindi kasabihan. Call it happy first. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Bobo ako sa English eh. I'm not good in English. I'm bobo in English. I understand na. I understand na. So I know, right? I know, right? Para tawa ka dyan. Tuwang-tuwa. Tawa. Lul. Lul. It will not last. Ano ba yun? I'm Trip 90. I'm back. Welcome back, Trip 90. How are you? Trip 90. Good evening. Good evening po. Ang landi. How are you? What won't last? Charot. Charot. O, diba? You say charot. So it means it's just a joke. It's joke. I'm good, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Trip 90 for visiting my live. Thank you. Come here. Thank you for coming back. Where are you, Where are you, Trip 90? Where are you from? Where are you from? USA, South Carolina. Sana all. Shout out sa mga taga USA. Shout out to all USA. Different states of USA. USA, New York, Las Vegas, Hawaii, North and South Carolina. What else? New England. Ano pa? LA, New York, Chicago, yon. Chicago. What else? Minnesota. Ayun, parang naalala ko, Miami. New York, Miami. What on the menu this morning? Menu? Menu the food? Cheryl is famous. Not yet. I'm not famous. How I wish I'm famous. Oh my god. Yes, food. Today's food. No. Today, adobo. Pork adobo. Cheryl is famous. Sana all famous.
Okay.
Gab!
Kanano.
Gabriel! Gab! 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 Gagawi ka. You married? No, I'm not married. No? Never. But I want to be married. I want to be married. You know. I want to be married. Si Mama ito.
Sino?
Si Mama ito. You have subscribed all over. You have subscribed You have subscribers all over the world. Oh, I have. You have kids. I have one kid. I have one kid. I have one kid. Same here. I have a son. How old are you? Trip 90. How old are you? You have a son. Are you married? Trip 90. What is your name? 35. No. Why? What happened? What happened? Namo problema. Didn't work out. She had to learn more about life than herself. Didn't work out. She had to learn more about life than herself. Okay. Thank you for the heart. Thank you so much. Are you happy? Are you happy being single? Now I'm happy for being a single. No toxic, no overthinking, no doubt, no ano. Being single is cool now. No overthink. Having a peace of mind. No stress. No ano. No. No more overthink a lot. Cold bed. Yes. It's okay. It's okay to be alone. It's okay to be alone than with someone toxic, you know. Red flags. Red flags partner. I know, right? I know I'm right. It used to be a no.
Tama. Kaya, kaya,
Paano kapag walang gab? Paano na lang? Can you dance? What dance? I have a talent fee. Charot. Char. You still young. Cottage of Are, no? Are you white American or black American? Are you white or black American? What you think? I don't think so. I don't know. Just two choices. I don't know if you're a black or white American. I don't think so. If you're a guess, white American. I am right. Tell me why I'm nothing goodness. Not black American. Okay. Are you friends of Greg? So are you a black American? Good luck. Huh? Tell me. Tell me more. Tell me more. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Do you wanna be me like a angel? You like? Like what? Anything I like. The friends, even white or black. I like people kind and happy. Hi sis K and Paper. Hello. Good evening. Relax man ang beauty. Relax. Wala kailangan Kailangan feel relaxed, feel beautiful, stay young and beautiful. Still feel young and beautiful. Yun lang. Still feel young and beautiful. Trip 90, please connect my channel from USA. I told her that already. Hi, Trip 90. Can you connect Sis K and Paper? Can you follow her? Hi, Cam. Can you follow her? Trip 90. Thank you. Follow our friends. We're friends. We're friends here in YouTube world. Matulog na tayo. Hi, Greg. What's up? Okay. We're gonna, sleep na here and at the kalsada na. Wait lang. Stay put lang. Just stay. I buy, some food. Putim-putim ba? Why I'll run my friend out? Sure is going to the star. Welcome back. Yeah. I just buy an beautiful pork dos. Thank you, Trip 90. Thank you so much. Umulan na. Didn't save me any. Didn't save me any. Rainy here. Work na ako, sis. See you na a little bit. Ingat ka dyan. Thank you, sis Ken. Thank you sa pagpunta sa, sa live. Thank you so much. Ingat din lagi. Health is wealth. Madilim na maraming wakwak. Wala. Wala, okay lang. Raining. Just in time. You made it home just in time. Yes. Palamig. Yan yung hupa daan na. Daulan. Daulan na. Daulan. Rain here. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. It's rain here too. Wow. Same time. Same situation. No, same situation, but not the same time. Dance in the rain. Dance in the rain. Oh, it's getting cold now. Getting cold. We will warm up once you get the moving. Nah, taran. Mano, ma. Well, I go to go much love. What? Well, I get to go much love. Much love. Get to go much love. What do you mean? What do you mean trip? I don't understand. I can't remember when you called. Enjoy your day. Oh, okay. Thank you. Enjoy your day too. Same to you, Greg. Enjoy your day too.
Meron pa.
Gorow na.
Kasi sabi mo pa na. Malas na. Lagyan ng palaga.
Sige na. Sarado mo na. Mano ka mo? At sa bawat minuto, gusto ko na hindi maintindihan. Enjoy your play. What do you mean? And I thought I would be right there. I was singing. Hmm? Salamat. Salamat. Thank you. Bye. Wala na. Hi na kayo. Pagkita ba? Sarado mo na, Faith. Nasinap mo. Kaya di mo ako fanwa.
Ay, salamat.
Saan sa din sarado? Hindi ako. May dagat ka na. Pangit. Salamat. Ito yung men. Ito yung us. Ito din. Wala na. Wala na. Ba't ganon? Where are you now? What do you mean? Maingay pa din sana. Nanonood pa ng TV. My God, hindi pa ako pwede umuwi. Maingay pa dun sa amin. Dapat mong malaman. Walang ka. Asahan kahit kailan di kita iiwan ka. What happened? Thank you, Greg. Puso ko kasi nais kong magkanta. Dapat mong malaman. 1 hour. Already 1 hour. Thank you sa nag-stay so much. Wala, aray. Maiulan. Kahit kailan di kita maulan ng panahon. Thank you for the sub 3 million. 3 million people in my house. Salamat. Follow guys. Follow. I will see you later. Cheryl, have a great night. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Thank you, Greg. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a good day. Thank you so much. So much. Walang hanggan sa mo ang kahit kailan. My God. Thank you, Greg. Bye, Greg. Bye-bye. You are the sun up through the rain. The souls in my mind and flat out of sadness. The Porok Dust here in Bagsangan, Rosen. Yes. Bye-bye.